Do you wish to do you wish to jump in the hole? It's Mystia's fault. Now I can't stop thinking of it as an innuendo. God damn it. We're jumping in the hole. We're going in.
Wait, what the fuck?
Human village?
Where the hell is this? What do you mean by that? It's clearly the village. The village wasn't this fucking small. Guess we better look around.
Alright, is this like the PC-98 human village or something? This HUD looks familiar.
Excuse me, strangers. Have you seen my cat? No. Oh, okay.
Nope, I haven't seen your cat. Is that, hello?
Don't think I've seen you around this part. The heck is that doohickey? Oh, this thing. Well, to put it simply, it's a device that pulls in items from any time period. Whoa, that's pretty cool.
It is.
The controls are currently jammed. So right now it's stuck sucking in items from a random time period. I'm still trying to fix this shit. You can take a look at it if you want. Just don't damage it any further than it already is.
Alright, this machine. Sonic Heroes? Anyone? Never mind, it's pulling in items from Corindo? Well, this is a good time to stock up on sweet teas. Specifically. And the rest of my teas in general, okay.
I'm out of folding chairs, so I'm here to get more. Don't ask why.
Alright, you do you, I guess.
I'm currently on a vacation from Markai. I hope I don't run into that shrine maiden.
School. The Haida house.
I'm a bit lost at the moment. But not to worry. A police officer...
Oh, wait, it's Kotohime, like one of the few PC-98 characters that I actually know due to the Discord, okay. Hello there. Hello there. Human Village Expansion Project. Completion date whenever it's fucking done. Man, this place really is small. Should we go inside the school? Can we go in? Nope. Do we go left or right? I say left. Left is always the right way to go. Road? If you're reading this, and I'm here to tell you that this hole is a shortcut to the top of the mountain. You can only use it once, so use it wisely. I literally just used it. Okay. I didn't realize that that was the hole that they were referring to. Whoops. It got eerily quiet all of a sudden. I don't like this. Hello? The only noise I hear is the sound of my fan. Okay, back to happy music. Alright. Right. I guess we kind of have to go into that hole. There's not really anywhere else for me to go. Alright. I can't go to the right, so hole... If there's a hole, there's a goal. I guess. This is actually creepy. What? Lake of Blood. Totally not a portal to another realm. This ambience is giving me chills. I guess we have to. Jump into the lake? Why would you do that? It's, okay, whatever. Let's do it.
Just fucking great.
What in the world?
Where are we now? I don't know, but this shit looks pretty.
Who knew that our adventures would result in this? Like, what? Oh, pass kind of food, Huh, so these fuckbags exist here as well. Alright, let's... How much damage do they do? A decent amount, actually, considering how strong we are. Damn. Okay, let's check in the scroll. A group of Tsukumogami is created from kind of Kufuda cards, which apparently exist here, wherever this is. They drop a receiver. Now, what a receiver is, I have no idea. A giant fucking catfish. Not much is known about its origins. Alright. There's a thing over there. There's another thing over there as well. Okay, this is not good. Do that. Hide yourself. I actually just graze. And Song of Recovery Encore just in case. God. Oh God. Okay, we're fine. Nobody died. Damn, this is still not gonna be enough to kill all of them. Definitely everybody's healed. And 2 of them are frozen. Okay, that combo should be enough to kill that kind of Fuda. Okay. Damn it, die. We got the receiver. An old but working receiver, you might receive a transmitted message. What? Transmission received. Audio recording detected. Playing audio recording in 3, 2, 1. Ow, my fucking head. Now, where exactly am I? Better question is, am I? What the fuck? What happened here? I better look around, see if I can find someone. Audio recording archived. The receiver broke down.
This is quite a mystery. I wonder if there are more of these audio recordings if we get another one. Well, only one way to find out.
Very mysterious. Also heal everybody up. That's your job, Mystia. What is this? There's a letter on the ground. If you're reading this, then let me tell you something. The hexagram next to this letter takes you back to the village. This will also create a hexagram that goes the other way around the village. It's important to note that this hexagram expires by tomorrow, so don't waste it. There's another thing that says don't waste it, but... Okay, more of these assholes. Thing is, we're all of us are slower than them, so... God damn, why are you all attacking Rumia? What did she do to you? Okay. Thankfully, Rumia should be fine after getting the powers of the moon. Alright. Heal everybody just in case. Nice. They're all frozen, so let's just kill them. Another receiver. Transmission received. Audio recording detected. Playing audio recording in 3, 2, 1. You're... Yet at the same time you're not. Where'd you come from? I'm the one asking the questions here, you fucking... Tell me what happened here or so help me. Well, I would, but... But what? For starters, we can't stand around here for too long. With those things lurking around and whatnot. Orpal guy reference? What things? Ah, speak of the devil. Heads up, kid. We got company. Organic life form detected. Target in sight. Preparing for imminent termination. Another Opal guy reference. What the fuck? Audio recording archived. The mystery continues. Well, we can take on one. We can take on one easily. Damn it, Dicey, why do you keep missing? I swear, she's the member that misses, like, the most, for some reason. Doesn't seem like there are too many other ways to go. That's a load of fire. tells me that I probably shouldn't touch that. 6 dispellers are required to dispel the unholy barrier. What are dispellers? Is it those things that are like... Oh god! There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 of them! I wish we had more AoE moves on our girls, but Cirno and Wriggle are really the only ones that have that. Thankfully, the good part is that when we graze, they don't really deal all that much damage. And there's a high chance for us to dodge as well. Paralyzed, nice. Frozen, frozen, frozen. Frozen, okay. D and E. We gotta target them. D and E are dead, good. Seriously, Daisy misses like the most out of all the Team 9 members. Why? The good news is we got another receiver, so... Let's watch that, shall we? Yeah, let's go. Transmission received. Audio recording detected. Playing audio recording in 3, 2, 1. Audio is recorded in an area with a low signal. The recording may end abruptly. Well, that was a little too close. You two fellas alright? That's good to hear. Wait, they didn't even say anything. It takes extensive knowledge to understand language. Uh-huh. Well, anyways, let's ditch this place before more of those show up. Whoa, hold on there, mate. We can't just leave them here. Especially since they're the last of their kind. Well, what are we supposed to do about them? I have an idea. Hey, you two. Do you wanna... Audio recording archived. The receiver broke down. Got another wave of 6. But Jesus. Maybe if I use Little Bug Storm first. Then maybe we can end this quicker. Rumia took no damage. Daisei took no damage. Mystia does take damage actually. That's because she's wearing the Mary Poppins shoes. Alright, let's go. Not like that it matters anyway, because the damage is so minimal and the Mystia literally has a Literally has like a passive heal, so not really a problem for her at all. Poisoned, poisoned, confused, poisoned. Confused, poisoned. Poisoned. Poisoned, bleed. Whoops, sorry about that. I got called to do something and I accidentally ended the recording. So now, but the good thing is we got a receiver from that battle, so let's continue the mystery. Also, I turned the air conditioner on. I wonder if you guys can hear that. You probably can. But anyways, enough of that. Let's see. I'm actually gonna turn it off because it's kind of gonna be distracting. Transmission received. Audio recording detected. Playing audio recording in 3, 2, 1. Plus the room became cold enough anyway, so the fan should suffice for now. Low signal again. That's fucking crazy. Trying to raid that is suicide. And then what? Let those fuckers fuck up even more? Sorry, but I'm not leaving until those bastards are shat on. What do you mean she has a point? Oh, brother. Look, if you really want to do this shit, you can't even get in right now anyways. To enter that, you need audio recording archive.
We got most of these recordings, but what the hell do they mean anyway?
I don't know. I have no idea. It seems like there's some sort of like there are like creatures or like robots or something. There are things coming after these people. There are apparently two beings or creatures that are like the last of their kind, and then there's like 2 people that can speak normal English, and they're apparently like hiding or like running away from these things, fighting them.
Who knows?
Anyways, I'm not entirely sure how I'm supposed to get those blinking things. Maybe at this point I'm supposed to go back to the human village, but I'm not 100% sure on that. No. I need 6 dispellers. Whatever the hell that means. Shiver in fear. We have another receiver. Does this one work? No transmissions detected. Well, now I don't really know what else to do. The only thing I can really think of doing is like going back to the village and you know, maybe the like shop thing is fixed by now, but I'm not sure. Anyway, it's time to load. I mean, time to save. Nothing's really changed here.
In hindsight, I probably should have not reused an old wiring.
I'm currently I. Hope I don't run into that shrine maid.
Alright. I don't know what you're talking about. What are the spellers? Like, are there secret, like, paths? Oh, there are! There actually are! Wait. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's not good at all. Somebody's probably gonna die here. No! No! God damn it! Can we not run away from these things? What the hell? I mean, I guess they are faster than us, but what the... But still. That's annoying. That... Okay. Good. Well, that was a shit show. Let's heal everybody up. Okay, these are the dispellers. Alright. I see. We just gotta find the hidden hole in the wall. I'm not really in the mood to fuck off. Like, how much... I actually didn't check. How much agility do they have? They have, like, They have 200 agility. We have, like, 80, 50, 100, 18, 20. They're like they're like double our speed, so I guess we're gonna have to fight them every time, which sucks. But it's better than like... It's better than constantly getting all of our HP and members like dead. Die. Okay, everybody's frozen except for the middle guy, so... Heal up Mystia, please. She needs it. Nice. So I'm probably just, because this is gonna take a while, I'm probably just gonna meet you when I get all the dispellers myself. On the bright side, we're gonna get a lot of money from this, so it's not all bad. Anyways, I'll meet you guys when I have all 6 dispellers. Yeah. Alright, got the last one. So now we should be golden. First I gotta deal with these assholes first. Nice Cirno dodge. And he missed. Alright. Poison seems to be like the most common like status that Wriggle can like inflict enemies on, you know? Frozen. Okay. Nice. Nice. Thank goodness I have so many items to refill all my losses after each battle. I got 2 receivers. I only have 1 here though. Not that I really need them anyways, but you know. Mystia is really useful here. Like, she's just useful in general because of her healing abilities. But anyway, let's see what's beyond the fire. Is that Ellie?
Oh, hello there.
General Kenobi, you are a bold one.
How peculiar. Where do you fellas
Wink,
come
wink.
from?
Well, how do I put it? We jumped down a big asshole. Hee hee hee.
God damn it, Mystia.
Oh,
Why?
for the fucking god, Mystia.
Seriously, yeah.
Ah, that shit never gets old.
Did you say? Hold.
Yeah.
You must be the one she was expecting.
Huh?
Who?
Come right in. She's been waiting for your arrival. Just don't do anything that fuck things up. I seriously don't want to get in trouble.
Well, that's odd. They would want to meet with us.
Huh. First of all, let's... Is there anything behind your castle? Nope. Not that I can see of. Not that I can see. Be cool if there was like a secret behind there or something. Whatever, let's...
You may enter the mansion, young travelers. Just don't do anything that fuck things up.
Okay. Wait, it's you! Greetings.
Oh my.
We've been expecting you.
Is that so? That's my line, motherfucker.
Whoa, Rumia, you can say things other than... Never mind.
Follow me.
That's my line, motherfucker! Well, that caught me off guard, I'm not gonna lie.
I don't think we have a choice. Oh. What's with you all of a sudden, girls? I think I'm in love.
What?
So, like with any other bitches you've met?
Can we not waste any more time already?
Mystia, come on. I was just praising you not too long ago, and you act like this? Come on. Nice place you got here.
Mistress of your arrival.
Too bad it'll be the last place you'll ever see. Wink, wink. I will inform the mistress of your arrival. Oh, whoops.
So please take a seat while you wait.
Anything for you, baby.
I gotta say,
This is a pretty kick-ass mansion.
It is.
Whoever lives here is one lucky bastard. Ah. Still thinking about that vampire, huh? You don't understand. The shiny pale skin, the blonde hair, and that beautiful ring. That vampire is the girl of my dreams. Okay, whatever you say, bub. My sweet love, you're back.
my mistress is on her way. She will arrive shortly.
Alright, time to see who this fucker is.
I present to you, the mistress of Mugen-kan. Sup-homies, I am Yuga Kazami,
Uh-oh.
and welcome to my awesome crib. What?
Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck.
Yeah, I thought so. I thought Cirno would be scared here.
Well, shit. F-U-C-K.
F-U-C-K.
So, this is where I die, huh? If I'm going to die here, then... Vampire, whose name I never got to learn. I just want to tell you that I love you,
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa. Okay, some of these, like, line deliveries from the TTS, like, voices fucking kill me.
What the fuck?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What's with this mass panic all of a sudden?
I like how not just Cirno, but every single member of Team 9 is scared of her, even Roomba.
Hold on. You are that garden yokai, right?
Garden yokai? I don't know what you're talking about, but I think you should calm down and let the old me explain everything.
Okay, I'm not too well versed in sometime later. I'm not too well versed in PC98 lore, but I don't
So let me get this straight.
think Yuka like had a garden or was like the flower yokai in PC98 Touhou, right? I'm not 100% sure on that, but you know,
We're in the past.
I'm pretty certain that's the case here.
Yeah,
So that means, up until this point, you've never met us.
pretty much.
And the hole we jumped into is connected between here and the present day.
And all it needs is a bit of ectoplasm juice. Kurumi here is the one who made the hole in the first place. You're welcome.
Kurumi.
My fucking god, Mystia, calm your tits.
I
Seriously.
guess that would explain why the village looked minuscule.
Well then, now that this is all cleared up, you can all relax now.
I figured, like, once we jumped in that we went into PC98 / the past, like, you know, just from that alone.
Yeah, what a relief.
And the HUD. It was the same one as the, like, PC98 dimension, that the Makai dimension, like, area thingy that we visited in episode 1.
Hey, hang on a fucking minute. This doesn't really explain why you, of all people, wanted to meet with us.
Oh, about that. I'm not the one who wanted to meet with you.
You're not?
I merely helped making sure you end up here. I even went the extra mile and created that shortcut to the mountain. Yeah, it was all me. The shortcut. The hexagram that leads to the village.
Even that barrier.
Barrier?
Anyway, the person who wants to meet you is an acquaintance of mine.
So she wasn't responsible for that, okay. Then who was?
Come on out.
Thank you, Yuka. I'll take it from here. Hello, Cirno. We finally met. How do you know my name? Who the fuck are you?
This is, kind of reminding me of the scene in Sonic 06 where Mephiles first showed up, and like, you know, that moment.
I am Mai, and I switch from Makai. I know all about you from your friends.
Huh?
Have we met?
Nope. Well, for you. Not yet anyways.
That's fucking confusing.
It is.
You'll know soon enough.
So, what do you want from me?
Oh, not much. I just wanted to duel with you. I wanted to see how strong you are, being someone with an ice affinity and all.
Alright.
Is that it?
Yes. So what do you say? A duel between two cryokinesis users is not something you do every day.
Well, when you put it that way, yeah. Why the heck not? You're on Buster.
Excellent. Now, if you have something else to do first, feel free to do so. If you are ready, come talk to me.
Alright, I'm pretty sure I'm ready though. I don't really have anything else to do.
Hello there, pretty.
You alright there, buddy?
Oh, I'm just fine.
Mystia, come on!
Yawn. I hope this little ordeal was worth skipping my afternoon nap.
Alright. I guess we can start this little
Are
ordeal.
you ready?
I'm ready. For Freddy.
Yes, shit.
Splendid. Oh, just so you know. I'm not holding back.
Funny you should mention that, cause I'm not holding back either. This should be fun.
Bring it on.
Get a power of darkness.
Oh dear.
Prepare yourself, motherfucker.
Alright, let's see. This is probably gonna be like the PC98 Reimu fight. I hope it's not gonna be too bad. The Ice Witch from Makai with a calm atmosphere. A showdown between ice-based characters looms over. Don't get frozen. Daisei. Hawkside Illstar Dive. Oh, okay. Rumia's already dead. Great. Oh, nice. She's blinded. Which is what was gonna happen here anyways, but whatever. I just love the smell of fear. Murdered and Maku. Cirno took no damage. That's right. Because she's just strong like that. Bleed. Ice Sign, Icicle Fall. Do that. Dark of the Moon. Creates a spear. Come on, stop bullying poor Rumia. That's not very nice. Like, everybody's out for Rumia in this episode. I don't know why. Rapid Punch! Hang on, you get rid of her freeze. You still do the Rapid Punch, and you Recovery Encore. God damn it! Never mind then. This should be good. Yeah! That's actually a pretty good move that Wriggle has. Alright. Bombs away! Wriggle. Oh! Well, that didn't deal nearly as much damage as I thought it would be. Come on. I just love the smell of fear. Nice crit. Rubia, you need to get your revenge. Deadly Bloodlust, sure. And Night the Firefly. Actually, try to silence her. Poison. Recovery Encore. Damn it. I just love the smell of fear. Okay, sorry, I'll stop doing that. All of those missed. God damn it, Cirno. Blinder, I guess. And Night of the Firefly. Overwhelming darkness. Poisonous Snowball. Okay. She got mega blinded. Good. Bug Storm, I guess. Here an antidote. Horni and Roomba. Alright, we're good. We should be able to do this. Hang on. She still has fear. Okay. I'm actually gonna turn back into normal Diocade. Dark Underworld? I mean, no. Dark Claw. And you. Poison her. Unleash the Ice Age. Uh-oh. At least she's paralyzed, that's good. And she's poisoned. Frozen Fear. Oh, I just love... Okay, no. I just said I wouldn't do that anymore. Whoops. Cirno is the only one not affected, but that's to be expected because she's also ice. And she's insane. That's pretty good. Alright, her defense is down. Let's do this shit. Nice, she attacked herself because of her insanity. Nice. And she lost balance. Good. Rapid Punch is not really gonna do much here, but I'll do it anyways because I can. Alright. We're doing this. I'll let Cirno get the final blow for thematic reasons. Perfect freeze! Take this! That would be fitting. Fear the power of darkness.
Well, you're not half bad. I'd say the same for you. And that concludes our duel. Gotta say, this was a nice sparring match. Now that that's over with, you wouldn't mind sending us back, would you? We have unfinished business back home. Ha ha ha. Indeed you do.
Kuremi, you know what to do. I'm on it. Everyone follow me.
I bid you farewell, Cirno and friends, until we meet again.
Until we meet again.
Who's there? Oh,
Huh?
sorry about that. It's hard to recognize you without your pet turtle. Since you
Reimu?
came all the way down here, how about we sit and chat for a few minutes?
This hole will take you back to your time period. Just a warning. It's a one-way trip. The moment you hop in, there's no turning back, so use it wisely.
Thanks for the heads up.
Alright.
Alright, team. Let's go home. Farewell, Kuremi. My sweet love.
For the love of Kaneko, Mystia, shut up!